Okay. Just remind me that after first healing session, I need to pause the
स्टॉप करना है। हाँ।
recording, right? If I forget. Okay, so welcome to day 4 of Ho'oponopono. I'm sure this journey has actually, in certain way, it has progressed your life, right? And I'm really happy to see all of you here again today. So welcome. Today's topic would be relationship healing. We will do 5 sessions of relationship healing. We will do with the mother, father, partner, children, office colleagues. So if you have any other people like siblings or anything that you want to include, I would suggest that take 5 people in your life whom you are closely associated with, whom you have to deal with day to day in your day to day life, and you want to improve your relationship. Now, when you talk about this relationship, it's not that कि वो relationship खराब ही होना चाहिए तो ही आप उसको improve करोगे, ऐसा नहीं है. Even if the relationship is harmonious, there is nothing wrong in doing the forgiveness and doing the relationship healing, so that you have a greater the relationship gets deepened after this healing, right? So even if the relationship is harmonious, you can take that person so that the relationship gets deepened. And there might be certain tussle, or there might be certain things that is already there between you, both of you. It might not be impacting your current situation, current life, because you are already, like, having a harmonious relationship. But there might be something in your past life, right? So somewhere even that get healed when you do this relationship healing. So ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी के साथ झगड़ा हुआ तो ही हम उसके साथ में forgiveness और relationship healing करेंगे. Ho'oponopono can be practiced and should be practiced with everyone and all, and without any exception. So don't give any exceptions to people कि इसके साथ मुझे Ho'oponopono करना है, इसके साथ नहीं करना है. Don't do that. Okay. So let's start. The thing would be very, very simple. You will have to keep. Yes, Vinita ji. Yeah.
Two questions. One, I think I answered, but I just wanted to confirm my parents are not alive
Mm-hmm.
now. So I still continue with my parents, even though they are not
Yes.
there.
Yes, you can do.
And second is like, I have many more people rather than just three more.
Okay.
So आप जो कर रहे हो वो आप जब शेयर करोगे लिंक तो दूसरा नाम लेके हम कर सकते हैं.
100% कर सकते हैं.
ओके.
Okay.
थैंक्स.
Okay. So let's begin. If you want to write down the names, also just top 5 names, because one by one, so that it is there into your awareness and you don't mix up. So just put a number like 1 to 5 and name down the people that you want to heal serially, right?
डन मैम.
Then, okay, Darshana is writing, so we will give some time to. Done. Okay, so let's start. Close your eyes. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Again, inhale slowly and exhale slowly. One more time. On the last time, inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Just allow your body to relax completely. Give yourself full permission to immerse in this feeling. And with this feeling, inhale and exhale very slowly. With your eyes closed, imagine the face of your mother in front of you. Bring into your awareness your relationship with your mother. Think about the interactions, good or bad, that may happen with your mother, your experiences, and any kind of unresolved emotions that you may feel. Allow yourself to gently recall both positive, negative, challenging emotions and memories. Look into your eyes of your mother. She's smiling back at you. As these emotions are rising within you, don't judge it. Just let it flow. Simply observe them. Emotions of love, joy, hurt, anger, frustration. There may be times when you have not been happy with the decisions your mother has taken about you. There may be times when you have not felt happy about the things your mother has said to you. There may be times when you were aware that your mother was angry with you. There may be times when you were aware that you are angry with your mother. It is okay now. It is okay if you're feeling these such emotions. They are just the part of your experience. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, just imagine releasing all these tensions, these emotions. Let them flow naturally without any resistance. Now you look into your mother's eyes and say, Mama, I take full responsibility for the relationship between us. At times I have loved you unconditionally, but there were times when I have been angry with you. I have felt the hurt. I have felt the frustration. I felt that whatever it was your decision was not in my better good. I take responsibility of all these feelings. Today I realize that you have always guided me for better. You have always been with me. You have always taken care of me, given me good knowledge, and you have made me the person I am today. I fully recognize and take responsibility of all such feelings. Gently repeat to yourself, I take responsibility for my feelings. I release the blame that I had on you, and I open my heart to healing the relationship between us. Enjoy the feeling shift from pain to peace, from conflict to understanding. And as you do it, you can see there is a smile in the eyes of your mother. Now, as you see, look into the eyes of your mother. See her smiling and simply say, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Dear Mama, I love you. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart to always take care of me, to always think about me for my betterment. I may have not liked at that point of time, but today I realize whatever you have done for my betterment. You have made me the person I am today. I'm really sorry for any hurt, any misunderstandings, or any unspoken words that may have affected our relationships. I'm really sorry for all the hurt that I have caused to you. I may have said things that were not acceptable to you. I may have said things which have made you angry, frustrated, hurt, pain. I'm really sorry for all of those words. Please forgive me for any conscious or unconscious ways that I have contributed to for the conflict between us. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. Today, I don't want to hold any resentment, any frustration, any anger that has caused between us. Thank you, Mother. Thank you, Mama, whatever you call her. You have taught me to live my life of love, patience, understanding, harmony, to beat all the challenges, to face all the challenges. You have made me so strong. I thank you for that. You have taught me the lessons of the life. I am really thankful for that. I love you. I release all my expectations, all my judgments that I have placed on you. I allow you to both of us to be free of all these emotional charge between us. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And as you keep on repeating these phrases, you imagine your mother is smiling back at you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. The more she's smiling, any emotional charge between both of you is getting released completely. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you keep on repeating, feel the energy between you and your mother is shifting. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Visualize the healing energies flowing through you. It is like a golden light which is immersing both of you together. There is a big ball of golden light, and you and your mother is inside that golden light, looking at each other, feeling the energy of love, and there is smile in both your eyes as you are smiling back at each other. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. As you do it, you can see the smile is getting brighter in both your faces. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Thank you, Mama. As you can see, your mother is smiling back at you. Now slowly release the image of your mother from in front of your eyes, knowing that healing energy will continue to do its work throughout the day. The relationship between you and your mother would be improved and keep on improving during the day. Just release the image of your mother from in front of your eyes and smile and say thank you for forgiving me, and I also forgive you for all the anger hurt that I may have caused to you. I seek for forgiveness. Please forgive. Take your hand, place your hand into your heart for a moment and feel the gratitude for yourself. Say your name. Thank you for the healing. Thank you for this energy of peace and forgiveness that you have created between you and your mother. Gently feel your surroundings, feel your body, come back to the surroundings and smile. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. Take some time, drink some water.
Recording.